Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Sandia Aulia Hikmah Ramadhani.
My name is Laili Safana.
I am Arsiatul Rahmah.
We are from the first class of Excellence Senior School Nazatul Tulab. In this time, we want presentation about ecosystem.
Understanding ecosystem is process that is formed due to the reciprocal relationship between living things and their environment. So we know that there are abiotic living and abiotic non-living components. An ecosystem is an ecological system that is formed due to the interaction that exists inseparable between living things and their environment. Ecosystem can also be said as a unified whole and comprehensive order of environmental elements that influence another ecosystem is an emergence of balances that involve relation between organisms and the physical environment, so that the flow of energy towards certain biotic structure, so that natural cycle occurs between organisms and environment, and organisms the sun in the core of all the energy in the ecosystem. Components in ecosystem. The components that make up the ecosystem are based on their nature and function. Based on nature, based on its nature, the ecosystem is composed of biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic factors. Biotic components are components that consist of living things. The biotic components including a living these organisms, both microscopic and macroscopic in size. Individual is a single organism that lives in the first in its sphere. Population. The population does consists of one living thing or individual, but a group of living things that occupy a change around a group of living things are called living things if they are of the same species. Community. Interpopulation. Interness in an area will form a community. The community does not have to cover a large area with a variety of plants and animals. Abiotic factor. Abiotic components are components that consist of animate objects, and thus components are non-living components in an ecosystem. And temperature. Temperature is varies on ecosystem because temperature is necessary condition for organisms to stay alive, and there are types of organisms that can only live in a constant temperature range. Sunlight affects the ecosystem universally as well because the sun determines the temperature. Sunlight is also the main element needed by plants as producer from photosynthesis. Water also affects ecosystem because water is needed for the survival of organisms. Water is needed to drink water and other means of life, a place to live for fish, for other abiotic elements such as soil and rocks. Water is needed as a solvent and burning again. Land. Soil is place to live for organisms. Different types of soil will cause organisms that live in it are also different. Wind, in addition to play a role in determining humidity, wind also plays an important role in the distribution of certain plant species. And the next, latitude. Different latitudes will show different environmental conditions. Latitude in the south depends in the distribution of organisms on the Earth's surface. Topography. Topography is a form of up and down or the height and low of the Earth's surface. Topography can affect a limit condition involving temperature and humidity. Dropping determines the biodiversity and distribution of an organism. The set of conjunction Judging from the functional process of organisms in their habitat, the ecosystem is composed of the following components. Producer are organisms that are able to produce their own food substance. Photosynthesis includes in this group area green plants and plants that have chlorophyll that production the unit by organism that cannot produce. Consumer, which means pure, namely organisms that cannot produce their own food substance but can use food substance made by other organisms. Organisms that take natural from green plants are herbivores. Therefore, herbivores can be called first-order consumers can be called that abortion food by eating herbivores are called second-order consumers. Carefully different in order consumers are called third-order consumers and so on. The process of eating in being eaten in the ecosystem will form a food chain. Rice producer, caterpillar, consumer 1, chicken, consumer 2, snake, consumer 3, eagle, consumer 5, or top. In a ecosystem, many food chain process occur from food web, which is collection of several food chain samples, animals, and humans. Decomposer are microorganisms that play a role by breaking down organic nature organisms from a dead organism and the waste product of which the function of the common organism will decompose and the soil into nutrients which will then by production in addition that combustion effect will also produce carbon dioxide gas which will be used in the photosynthesis process, example bacteria and fungi. Defense is a group of living things that destroy organic materials from remains body living things that have died and become ruins. Examples of this group include other termites and candipedes. Chapter 3 Conclusion. The relation between living beings and the environment is very close and interdependent because on one creature needs the help of other living beings and needs the environment to help meet their needs. On the other hand, the environment also requires living beings to survive. An ecosystem is a community unit with its environment that forms a reciprocal relationship. Ecosystems are composed of two main components, namely biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic components are components of a living ecosystem consisting of living beings, which include plants, animals, and humans. Abiotic components are living ecosystem components which include soil, water, sunlight, temperature, minerals, and gases. Suggestion: every living being needs a healthy environment as a place to live. Therefore, we must mention the cleanliness of the environment, especially around where we live, to take care of preservation and survival of living beings, because one living being with another is interdependent and cannot live alone.
Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nata, berkarya, beramal, dan bertakwa.